In this episode of Group 2 is called The Two Commandments of Network Etiquette.
It's okay, are you sure? Now I'm fine just waiting for her to pass this incident, but this plan is weighing me down very fast. Could you do me a favor and hold this for me until I came back? It'll only be for a minute. Oh sure, let it ask. Thank you. Bye.
Prasan, our report will be tomorrow, and we haven't done anything yet.
No, I completely forgot. What do we do now? If we don't submit anything, Miss Anne for sure will not let us pass the semester.
I have an idea.
What is it?
The hardest laptop is in the bag, right? Maybe let's try and access her account and use the report instead.
Hello, thank you for waiting for me. Can I have the bag now? Thank you.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss Anne.
Hi, class. Kindly bring your device and submit today.
What's wrong, Fardo? Aren't you gonna pass our report?
Our file is missing. I can't find it.
What? Our report can be gone. Today is the deadline.
What? With all the commotion, submit your reports quietly.
Ma'am, our file was gone missing and we don't know what happened. We've been updating you since yesterday, and you saw that we have an existing file in our laptop.
That is strange. Let me take a look. There must be only an error and you do not need to panic. Something's funny, Santiago and Valentin.
No, ma'am.
Don't know why you're laughing. Pass your reports or I give you 0.
Ma'am, it's just a coincidence.
No, it's not. Fajardo and her group have already shown me their work yesterday. And this is a report that they have submitted to me. Both of you plagiarized and stole their idea.
Why did you do this? I trusted you over my laptop to pass another assignment.
I'm sorry, Fajardo. We panicked and we didn't know what to do. We couldn't cram our report in one day, so I thought that we could just use yours instead.
I think we have seen enough. Santiago and Valentin, meet me in the guidance office. What we do did not violate both of trust your classmates. And important, ethical principle, you two must know how serious this is and should just plagiarize someone's work.
We understand, ma'am. We're deeply sorry for you to Fajardo. What we did was wrong and we realize that now.
Okay, good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, sir.
Alright, sit down and bring out your laptop for your activity today. What's with all the murmurs? Go and get ready or else. So, class, today, our activity today is about photoshopping a picture that I assigned on Google Classroom.
Why? What's wrong?
I edit Sarmento doing the middle finger and I will send it to the DC. I'm done. I will send it to the DC.
Sir?
What's with all the commotions? What is it?
Sarmiento to the GC. It's Sarmiento doing the middle finger. That's not funny, Sarmiento.
I didn't even do it. I think Sarah edited my photo.
Sarno, stand up. Explain why you do this.
I did it for fun, sir.
You know that this is a kind of false information, right? And Sarmiento could get trouble because of those photos. Do not expect a grade on this activity. Am I right?
I understand, sir. I will take this as a lesson.
Okay, good. I'm glad that you will understand and feel sorry.